There's just so much that we've lost with Messiah that we didn't get to experience with him.
A long-awaited trial begins tomorrow morning in Genesee County. The men accused of shooting and killing 3-year-old Messiah Williams will face a jury. It's a story we've been following since it happened on October 23rd, 2020. As the little boy slept in his bed, he was shot in the head. This has been a long, grueling court process for the family. They've experienced many delays over the years. Tomorrow, though, they'll get the chance after nearly 6 years to be in a courtroom.
As my wife would say, justice would be the return of Messiah, him brought back to us, but we don't have a time machine, as she would put it, to go back.
Justice is tough for both Dave Hurley and Jerry Bader because they know regardless of what the outcome of this jury trial is, Messiah will not come home. He'll forever be 3.
We have a store up in Birch Run, and in both stores we have different memorials to Messiah.
The memorials are a shrine to the life of the little boy, the one who loved Yoda and his brothers, a life that ended far too soon. Messiah's grandparents say his life in the court system has now outlived the little boy.
His small life had a journey that lasted longer than he did.
This was video from the scene that night, October 23rd, 2020. The defendants are accused of going to this home on Oklahoma Avenue on Flint's east side and shooting the home. That's where 3-year-old Messiah was sleeping when he was shot in the head. For the family, it's like reliving that day over and over again.
This long process is like an open wound that just keeps getting poked and poked.
The 3 men on trial, London Walton, Cameron Burnett, and Shamir Banks, have spent these last 5 years in jail.
They say you have the right to a speedy trial, but I've learned that falls on the defendant, not the victims.
There were various delays in the case along the way. The most recent delay was this past October, when the prosecution couldn't fly in 2 witnesses because of the governmental shutdown.
Our system is so flawed in so many ways.
The family tells me they feel anguished over these past few years with not knowing, and of course the reopening of old wounds with every court date. But now they are one step closer to seeing this come to an end.
It's become such a part of our life, you know, like, I will get to see you again. It's hard to say. It's not good, it's not bad. Now it's just a thing that's going to be over.
Opening statements are set to begin tomorrow morning in Genesee County. The defendants each have their own jury, and it's expected to last about a month. The family says beyond the justice system, they are continuing to push for a law that would enforce stricter penalties for people charged in drive-by shootings where a child is hurt or dies. That bill has been stalled multiple times in Lansing after it was first proposed in 2021. Stay with Mid-Michigan Now as we continue to bring you the latest on Messiah's trial.